Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one magical or useful remedy for dandruff. First of all, we should know why the dandruff occurs in our hairs, and also what will it affects to our hairs. So as we have seen in many of them, they having dandruff issues. It will affect our hair growth also. It affects to our scalp, and also it will signify more cuticles and protein damage to our hair growth from a healthy scalp. And then what will happen, then we will get itchy scalp also. It will further damage our scalp and causing split ends and breakage more easily. So for that, here I am having curd. From ancient age, curd is known best for dandruff. If you are looking for the scalp treatment, dandruff issue for all, you will get it by using curd. It is a combination to solve all these issues. Curd is a small amount of plant acid. It will boost the immunity. It is full of vitamins and nutrients, and also rich in protein. It will help to hair follicles require protein to be strong and healthy hair. It hydrates your scalp. It fixes the frizzy hairs. It eliminates the dandruff. It improves the shine factor and makes your hair strong. And also it will works as a good conditioner to your hairs also. My second ingredient is here lemon. Here I have taken one full lemon. Lemon contains many other nutrients and strengthen the hair follicles and encourage new hairs also, hair growth. Naturally, lemon is having acidic. Lemon juice can deeply cleanse the scalp and hair follicles. It restores the healthy pH level and remove build-up of product oils and pollutants. So here I have taken one full lemon. Don't put the seeds. Try to remove the seeds. Last but not least, here I am having egg. As you all know guys, egg is full of vitamins. It will infuse the roots of your hairs with vitamins. It then gives you new hairs. Hairs grow out stronger and be less prone to breakage and shedding. When your hair does not fall out as much, it becomes fuller. It even seems like it's growing faster. It is conditioning your hairs naturally. It repletions proteins, it tames frizz, and it balances the scalp sebum, enhances hair growth, and also it adds the luster to your mane. Here I am taking one egg. Now if you are having a blender, that will be better. Just beat and mix all these ingredients well and apply on your scalp. Here I have taken 1 cup full of yogurt. This is my homemade curd. You can take it the market one also, not a problem. So see guys, my serum or else my hair pack is ready for dandruff. I hope you all like my remedy. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Kindly share among your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.